हेलो फ्रेंड्स, चाय पी लो।
Yo, what's up guys, and welcome back to a new video. In today's video I will be playing Free Fire. And guys, if you like my content, then don't forget to press the like button, subscribe the channel and turn the notifications all, and also don't forget to write a comment. And also guys, happy Diwali to all of my subscribers. Hope you are well and fine at your home. I hope you enjoy my gameplay.
याद तो है बाद में बैठे रहेंगे तो ये वाली सही लगाएंगे इसमें देखो।
Okay guys, let me explain you about this mode. In this mode, you have to defense or attack. Defense means you have to stop the vehicle to come at your spawn base, otherwise your team would lose. And if you are an attacker, it means you have to take the vehicle to enemy spawn base to win. I got directly one tap at my head, so I decided to change my class to the best shotgun in the game, M187. I decided to throw smoke grenade so that enemies can't see me. I was swinging my melee, hope for getting a kill, and accidentally I got a headshot kill with my melee.
Triple kill.
I decided to throw my smoke grenade again, but this time smoke grenade cannot reach the vehicle, and I saw the enemy coming from house, and then I got my second kill.
Double kill.
I was running around the vehicle and I accidentally got a headshot kill on low HP. After getting my fourth kill, I saw the fifth enemy and I decided to shoot at him, but he did not die.
Double kill.
After getting an such a OP headshot kill, I put glue wall in front of enemy so he can't kill me. But behind me there was also an enemy. He killed me with her shotgun.
Double kill.
I decided to throw smoke grenade
Triple
again,
kill.
and this time also it cannot reach the vehicle, and I decided to rush towards the enemy players, and the enemy killed me with the best SMG of close range, MP40.
Double kill.
Decided to throw smoke grenade again, and this time it was in the right place. After getting my sixth kill, I was taking damage through smoke, so I decided to take cover. When I was selecting my equipment, I decided to go with MP40 as it is the best close range SMG in Free Fire. I got my 7th kill from here. Here I spotted an enemy and I give him damage with the deagle. Here I spotted another enemy and I killed him with my Desert Eagle, and it was my 8th kill.
Double kill.
Here I decided to switch to LMG. Here I decided to use hand cannon and I give some damage and I got my 9th kill from here.
Double kill. Triple kill.
Here I decided to use hand cannon once more and I got my 10th kill and level skill from here. Here I spotted an enemy and he suddenly started using chrono ability, and when the shield go off I got my 12th kill from here and we won the match. I hope you guys have enjoyed my gameplay. If you like my gameplay, then don't forget to click the like button, subscribe to my channel and share the video to all of your friends, and I will see you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.
You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different? Man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible.